The word of the day is surplus. Surplus could be a noun or an adjective. It means having more than what you need. To have extra or to have excess materials and assets. It has two syllables, surplus. Repeat for me. So, some examples. Some farmers will make whiskey with their surplus barley, meaning that some farmers will have extra grain, and you can use that grain to make alcohol like whiskey. So when they have extra, they use the extra to make something else. No nation has ever been embarrassed with a large surplus. When you have extra money laying around, you're never embarrassed to have extra. This store sells military surplus items. So a lot of times if they order too many weapons, too many clothing items for military personnel, they'll sell it in a store. So that would be military surplus. But now it's your turn. Can you think of a way to use surplus in a sentence of your own? Pause and try it. When you use these words right away, it helps lock it into your long-term memory and help it be easier for you to recognize it in the future and to use it for yourself. So now, please remember to subscribe to the channel so you get more English lessons like this. Give us a thumbs up if you learned something. And check out fluencyking.com for more English lessons. You can sign up for our free newsletter and also take our full course if you're ready to finally master English. Happy practicing until next time. Bye!